For this new exercise, I need you to open a file in the desktop with the file name Spider-Man Trial. Click open. Just ignore unresolved references. What we have here is an image or a picture of a new Spider-Man logo. Since we are short of time, we need to trace all the lines. We will do the drawing by just tracing the lines instead of calculating all the coordinates. So let us start with the line. Let's start in this corner. To make the line straight, I need to press F8. Click here, zoom in, zoom out, so that you can see the corners easily. Okay, this corner here, this corner here. Every time you will do a straight line, make sure you are in an ortho mode. You can activate that by pressing F8. Okay. So let's continue tracing it. Okay, let's try the other one. Both the legs now are being traced. Okay, now we will do the body part. Click somewhere here, somewhere here, make it straight. You'll notice that I will draw half only, and later on, using the mirror command, we can mirror this half part to the other half to make it whole. Now we need a circle somewhere here, so we need to find the circle command here, or you can simply type C and press enter. That's the shortcut key for circle. Select a center point and then move it outwards to get the circle that you want. Okay. You can move this drawing, this circle, by using this move command. You can see in our command line, select object. So I'm going to select the circle. After I select the circle, you notice how it changed. The line circle changed into intermittent line, and then I will right click to confirm. Okay. And then I will choose the center line, and then I will move it to the position I like. Okay. To get rid of the snap, you can deactivate this object snap button. Okay, so you can move your circle freely. Okay. You can continuously adjust the circle to the position you want or the size you want. I want it to be this way first. Okay, I need to reactivate the object snap. Okay, so you see that this line is not connected with the circle, so I'm gonna select this line, click this blue endpoint here, and then I will click on the nearest. Okay, so now it's joined. Okay. Okay. half of the part is already drawn, so I can remove the image now. How to do that? I need to see the layer here. I have two layers here. One layer is for the lines. See, if I turn it up, turn layer, you cannot see any more lines. But if I click this, see this bulb symbol here, okay, it will come out again. So this time I want to hide the logo layer, so I will turn off this logo layer. What we have here is the lines and circle. Okay, we need to do some fixing on this part. We can do that by using the trim command. Trim command, you can get it here in the modified tab, but we can simply use the shortcut key, which is TR, and then enter 2 times. Okay, then I'm gonna trim the part that I want to trim. Okay, this part and this part. Okay, I didn't delete this line because I'm gonna use this as a mirror line later on. Okay, so we are ready for mirror. So here in modify tab, you will see the mirror command here. Click it. Command line says select the object. So I'm gonna Windows select all of it. You notice it changed when we selected it. It means we need to confirm whether this is the objects that we want to mirror. So to confirm, simply right click or enter. So this time I'm going to use right click. Okay. Then again, you look at the command line saying first point of mirror line. So I'm going to select this endpoint and this endpoint as well. And command line says erase source object. Of course, no, we need that one as well. So click no. There we have the whole Spider-Man logo now. So we're gonna delete this line, click this one and press delete button. That's it. Now when we 3D print this model, this leg will be separated from this leg and from the body. So we need to draw one line that will connect all of them together. So I'm going to draw a line. So I'm going to click this one, or I'll simply type L and enter. Shortcut for line. Now let us start from this part. I will click on this line. Okay. Need to press escape to end the command. But this single line cannot connect all of them. So I'm going to make it thick by using the offset command. So here in modify tab, you will see an offset command. Click it. Always mind your command line. It says what is the distance. Specify offset distance. Let's try 3 millimeter distance. Type 3 and then enter. Click this line and click it downward here. Okay. So I need to extend this line until this point. So I'm gonna, okay, we need to exit from the trim command, from the offset command, so we need to press escape first. Okay. Select this line, click this blue endpoint, and then snap on the nearest. Okay. That's it. Escape button again. So we need to draw also on the other side. We can simply copy or we can mirror as well. Let's try the mirror command. Mirror. Select objects to mirror. So this line, and I'm going to right click to confirm. Okay. The mirror line should be from here and to that quadrant, to that endpoint there. And then don't erase the source object. No. Okay. So now we just need to trim it. Again, to trim, we will use the shortcut, which is TR, and enter 2 times. Trim this one, trim this part, trim this part, this part, this part, and this part. Okay? Same goes to the other side. Trim, 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 trim this part, and trim this part. Yes, there we have it. Okay? You make sure that all the corners are connected. Later on, you will have problem in joining them. So, looking good. I'm checking all the corners now, whether the lines are connected or not. So, there you go. Okay. I want to move this text, the MIT STEM text, into the body of the logo. So if you want to move an object or an entity, you can simply click the move command, select that entity, confirm it by right-clicking, and then where's the base point? You can click anywhere, maybe here, and then move it over there. If you want to move it freely again, you can press F8. Okay, and then position it to your desired location. So I want it to be here, so I'm going to click it here. Okay. We have completed the 2D drawing of the Spider-Man logo with the MIT STEM text on it. So we're going to convert it into 3D. This is how to do that. In our view cube, we can see this icon here, the home icon. We click this one. It will position our drawing into isometric view. Okay. Before we can make it 3D, we need to command region, R-E-G-I-O-N. Okay. Enter. What does it say? Select object. So we Windows select all of this, and then right-click to confirm. Well, there are 77 found. If we right-click, you can see there is a region created. Okay. If there is 0 region created, meaning there is something wrong with your connection, so you need to look at it one by one. Okay. So now we are good. Press escape. We can use press pull command to convert it into 3D. Press pull here, click this object. Let's say you want to make it 10 millimeter thick. Type 10 and then enter. Cannot see clearly, right? So what we're going to do is press escape button, and then here, the visual style controls, you try to click conceptual, and you can see our model in conceptual view. There you go. Okay, you can rotate it, so can you see all the details all around it. Okay, bottom view is there. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Hope after watching this video, you can do your own Spider-Man logo with MIT STEM text in 3D. Thank you.